Assalamu alaikum. This is Nusrat Islam welcoming you all to Evening News.
Court remands Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi in custody. A NAB court has remanded PTI founder Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi in custody for 8 days in a fresh Toshakana case. Prime Minister's office. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has condemned the assassination attempt on former US President Donald Trump. The Prime Minister has also announced a new package for the construction industry aimed at boosting economic growth. Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz has launched the My Punjab Smog-Free campaign aimed at reducing smog in the province. The Chief Minister has also announced a new internship program for young graduates focused on environment protection. Sanam Javed has been arrested again in connection with a fraud case. Showbiz update. Trailer for the upcoming Pakistani film The Legend of Maula Jat has been released, starring Fawad Khan and Mahira Khan. Live updates. Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi are being taken to Adiala jail after their remand. Sanam Javed's legal team is challenging her arrest in court. The Pakistan Cricket Board, PCB, has announced a new squad for the upcoming ODI series against Australia. Stay tuned for more updates on these developing stories. Bultain Pakistan will continue to bring you live updates and exclusive insights into these breaking news stories. Don't miss our special program tonight at 9 p.m, featuring exclusive interviews with Imran Khan's legal team, Sanam Javed's representatives, and more.